This gap's 147 feet wide. I've got 6 foot belting laid horizontal to 5 foot right here in the center. Got net wire stretcher over the top, pool with cables, and all the bracing is 6 foot or more deep. So it shouldn't be going anywhere. Same as these dead men, they're 6+ foot. And the vertical post here, 6+ foot. Went ahead and put this lower dead man in to kind of help with the stress, being the chain's pulling right here. I mean the chain, the cable, and the cable's pulling right here. So wanted to add some more beefiness to it. And the wire pulling back that way is counteracting some of this weight. I mean, very little, but it is helping. There's a culvert right out the center here underneath the road. That's why I wanted to center up here. The water comes out of the backside of this pond over here. There's a spillway to the right when it overflows, so the water comes in here. I wanted to kick that dead man back so it wouldn't hang trash. I got it back a good 10 feet. Same as this side, it comes back out and around. Over there you can see a little bit of wash right there. And the last flood, this road got about 2 feet underwater. So you can imagine that 2 feet on grade here is about to the, I don't know, right there on that black mat. You can visualize that. So it was a lot of water. That was a once in 100 year, some say 500 year flood for this area. But Lampasas is green right now. So blessed with plenty of rain, and hopefully we'll get to see some here soon and watch this thing perform. Maybe get the landowner, send some videos. Thanks.